I decided to install this lovely Bob Wig on my daughter. She saw it, she fell in love with it, and begged me to install it on her, and I did. By the way, this is my first time installing a wig on someone other than myself. It was interesting and fun. For this install, I used the Kiss Lace Bond Spray Ultimate Hold Level 9. For me, this is truly the next best thing if you don't want to use the Eben spray. Sit back, relax, and let's get into the install.
We talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for damn, and would you rather? No flame, the thrill and no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the sky, we can both say goodbye. Oh, I wish I could make our love these moments and vibrant. Ooh, I play, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. And I wish I could make our love these moments and vibrant. You and play, turns into gunplay, turns into pillow talk, turns into sweet dreams, turn into coffee in the morning. We talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor and high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for damn, and would you rather? No flame, the thrill and no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the sky, we can both say goodbye. Oh, I wish I could make our love these moments and vibrant. Ooh, I play, turns into gunplay.
This wig is absolutely gorgeous. It melts so easily with your skin. If you're interested, check out the links below. This don't even look like a wig on her. I mean, it just looks like it's her natural hair. Thank you so much for vibing with us. Hit that subscribe button and like this video. See you next time.